Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video my premium coaching program for new tax preparers. This is a self-study version, which includes live trainings throughout the month. This is going to be a monthly subscription versus my full-fledged hands-on interactive coaching program. And this is an alternative method for people who, A, just not willing to invest the type of money it costs to get inside my full-fledged coaching program, or B, you're just not there yet, and you want to be able to take a glimpse inside of what I had to offer, where you can invest in a $97 a month uh, subscription plan that's going to give you all the information that you would have gotten if you'd have been a part of the coaching program that I have that's totally different and set up to work with you interactively, which this course is not. And that's the difference, is that this course here, due to the price point, it'll still help you to set up your tax service. It'll still help you to get all the information you need to be able to uh, have your business up and running for next tax season if you take action on it now. That's the key to that. You got to take action on this information now in order to position yourself to be ready for tax season. Because, see, number one, is some moving pieces involved that we must talk about and deal with and implement simultaneously. And that being setting up your online account. They've changed the system now where they're using ID.me plus IRS, which gives you access to the e-file provider's application, which you need to be able to get access to in order to fill it out and get approved so you can get your EFA number, which allows you to purchase professional software and enroll with a third-party bank that's going to collect your tax preparation fees on your behalf. And that's the crucial part of this whole process, is getting that number. And so once you got your online account set up, which gives you access to that number, they've changed the process for our fingerprinting now, and they're making it electronically. So they're going to let you know what vendors that you can go through once you get to the application. And then from there, you seek out the vendors that they're using to get your fingerprints done. And that'll allow them to do the background check on you, which is crucial to them approving your application. And then while we're doing all these different things, we're talking about your business formation. Are you going to incorporate now versus later? Incorporating now is a state filing fee, which means, are you going to set up as an LLC? Are you going to set up as an S corp or a partnership or corporation? And we talk about the difference between those ones I just mentioned versus just being a sole proprietor, which means you can do that for free at irs.gov using an EIN online system, where I walk you through filling that out. You get that letter uh, instantly that you can save to your computer and use it when needed. Also, the PTIN application is the same day. As long as you got a tax return in the system within the last 7 years, we should be able to validate you and get you approved for the PTIN number, which goes on the tax return for federal and state. And at the same time, we talk about the business account. So you must have a business account and a personal account, because we don't commingle money. And so while we talking about all these different things and doing all these different things, we do them simultaneously, because see, it used to take 45 to 60 days for the EFIN application to be approved, but we don't want to take a chance on that still being the same case, especially with the IRS being understaffed, under budgeted, and short on getting things done. And so the hedge the bets that we'll be able to have our stuff ready before January of 2023 come. We want to put that application in this month, if possible, no later than the first week of September, so we can go forward with confidence that we will have that EFIN application approved, so we can take that information, go purchase the professional software, register with the third party bank, because so you got to be able to learn how to use the software just as well as learning how to prepare the individual income taxes. So if you're a brand new person just getting started in this career industry and this business model, you definitely want to take action now if you have any chances of being ready for the upcoming tax season. It's just real simple. No other way to put it. And so if you're that person that want to be ready for the upcoming tax season, you got to take that action now. If it's not with me, but with somebody who has the knowledge, the skills, the training, the insight to help you get this thing done right away, it's crucial, it's paramount. And I'll see you in my next video.